Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing how marvelous Loveworld singers, and we're doing it in the key of G. All right, so I'm doing a small intro the way I play it myself. All right. Kings and kingdoms, one. Then you do a 3 to the powerful, then 4. You give wisdom to the wisest. 6, 5. Again. Wisdom to the wisest. Then you do the 6 and 5. Your name can be called by anyone who believes and they'll be saved. You are so your name, that's 6, can be called 4 by anyone. 5 who believes they'll be saved. 3 rather. Then 6 and 5. Then you come back to 4. Then to 6. Sing greatness. 5. God Almighty. 1. Awesome in power. 5. Son of mercy. 4. Will never. Then the last part, mighty 1. Here's the 5. 6. 5. 1. 5. Then the Son of mercy. 4. So basically that's the whole song. Yeah. So let me put everything together.